Hi everyone. Hello Sagittarius. Welcome to Soul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. So, okay, Sagittarius, this is the reading for October 2020. Okay, so I've written few questions as I don't remember questions. So I'll be asking the question, and I'll be shuffling the cards, and then let's see what's going on. Okay, so what are you going through in the month of October, Sagittarius? What are you going through in the month of October, Sagittarius? What are you going through in the month of October, Sagittarius? What are you going through in the month of October, Sagittarius? Let's check it out. But one important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to enroll for our 10 days tarot learning and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. And third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to help us with the donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. If you would like to have the same day reading, the cost of it is $200, so you can have it. What are you going through currently? Okay, Sagittarius, you are holding back. You are holding back from something or someone. Okay, you are holding back in the month of October from something or someone. If you follow the present plan, what is likely to be the outcome of the situation? If you follow the same plan, what will be the... I think something happened in the past, okay, or recently, and it broke you down, okay, and that's why you are holding back, either from a relationship or from your money related stuff or your finances. It can be anything because it's a situationship. It can be related to career or it can be related to situationship. Okay, so something really happened in the past recently, and something broke down in the past recently. What do you need to know about your career, health or relationship? What you need to know about your career, health or relationship? Okay, so you are cutting off someone. You are in less or no communication with someone right now. Okay, you are gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to certain realizations into your life in the month of October. Okay, next question. What do you need to do to change or to improve this situation? What do you need to do to change or to improve the situation when it comes to your money related stuff or this particular situation? Whatever you are going through, it might be related to career, it might be related to situationship. Okay, so you need to balance your money related stuff if it's a career, but if it's a relationship, then you need to balance your relationship. You need to work out towards the things which is not improving. You need to you should stop holding back, and you should go towards your relationship. You should make an effort towards a relationship to balance your relationship. Okay, because it will bring more improvement into your relationship. Okay, so yeah, tell me something about his or her feelings for you. Okay, so I think your partner is not reaching out to you. Someone is feeling blocked. Your partner, Sagittarius, is feeling blocked. They are not communicating with you. There's less or no communication, or else they are not messaging you. They are not trying to reach you. They are not texting you. They are not doing anything right now. They are just into their own zone. Okay, and they are just trying to fulfill their own wishes. They are just loving themselves right now. Self-love and self-care is their utmost important thing right now, Sagittarius. Okay, can you tell me where this relationship is going? Where this relationship is going? Where this relationship is going? Okay, so this relationship is not going anywhere right now. You are just having a lot of sleepless nights when it comes to this relationship. You are if you in the past you were having sleepless night with this relationship, now you are releasing all the stress, worries, tensions, problems from this relationship. You are not thinking about it. You are just focusing on your money related stuff. You are not focusing on a relationship part right now. You are focusing on your pentacles, your money related stuff. Okay, you are just focusing on your money, or you are just trying to build your career, you're just trying to establish yourself financially. Okay, you're not focusing on to into your relationship right now. Okay, so what should you focus on from now? What should you focus on from now? What should you focus on from now? What should you focus on from now in the month of October? Okay, so you should focus on yourself first and foremost things. Okay, if you leave the past, leave the thoughts of the past. If you are having a lot of thinking thoughts about your past, so leave that. Okay, whosoever left you out in the cold, even if your person is left, I think your person left you out in the cold. Okay, so if that is happening, then leave that thoughts and just focus on yourself. Self love and self care should be your utmost priority, and just focus on your money related stuff. Okay, so what are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? Okay, so your hope is your fear is taking an action. Okay, and your hope is that to take an action and to move towards your victorious life. Okay, to move towards a victory when it comes to your money materialistic world, your financial gains. Because I don't think so that right now in the month of October you'll be focusing on to your money relationship and stuff. You'll be more focused on your materialistic world, your financial gains, your prosperity, your abundance. Okay, what is the likely outcome for the same? What will be the likely outcome for the same? What will be the likely outcome for the same? एक second, 1 second. What is the likely outcome for the same? What will be the likely outcome? Okay, so whatever you wished for in the month of October, last week of October, after 25th of October 2020, your wish is about to get fulfilled. Okay, in the month of October, which is a really great thing, guys. Okay, this is beautiful in the sense beautiful. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out what's going on with you next. Okay, so your wish is about to get fulfilled for sure. If you are having dreams, do not ignore it. When it comes to your relationship wise, you are having certain dreams. Okay, so do not ignore it. Those will be coming true. Okay, you will be having certain realizations about a person or about the things, few things in life. Okay, so let me check it out. Transformation, you are going through some major transformation in life. Major transformation is about happening within yourself. Adventure, you might be relocating, or you might be exploring in the month of October. You might be taking an action to move towards someone or something, relocating, shifting, changing a house, investing in a property. Okay, so you might be doing that, or you are planning to do that. But yes, there's a lot of divine transformation which is happening for you. Okay, yes, just be into your own self. Okay, self love and self care should be your utmost priority for in the month of October. Okay, let's check it out what universe needs to tell you. Okay, so taking action, moving towards someone or something, traveling, exploring, anything it can be. Okay, some sort of travel is needed in the month of October. Okay, so yes, guys, I have 6 cards and I use all the cards in your readings in daily. So yeah, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like my readings. Okay, let's check it out. okay, a lot of possibilities once you take an action and move forward into your life. Okay, so a lot of caring connection is about to happen, a lot of new connections. For a few of you who are single, a new connection is waiting for you. And if you were into separation, less or no communication, a reconciliation or reunion is happening for you. Okay, and also Sagittarius, a lot of possibilities, new doors are opening, and you have started feeling it somewhere. Okay, and yeah, a lot of opportunities are on the horizon for you. Okay, that I can see, lot of opportunities are waiting for you, for sure. What are the universal messages for the same? 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 Okay, let's check it out. First three universal messages. Wow, this is the first time I've got this card ever in the reading. Wow, beautiful. Three universal messages. Let's check it out. Universal messages for you, Sagittarius. I find a deeper meaning and personal growth amid the discomfort. Okay, so whatever. Okay, so when it comes to full moon, you are a little bit discomforted. When it comes to new when it comes to new moon, you are a little bit discomforted. When you are literally, when you have when you deal with half moon, okay, you work on your personal growth. Okay, and yes, when it comes to waning moon, you find a deeper meaning about yourself, about your life, about your clarity. This is a very important message for you guys. So when it comes to the moon cycle, just focus on it. In the second universal message for you, in every moment the universe is conspiring to bring me towards the right minded thinking and the energy of love. Okay, so universe is helping you out in some way or the other. Even if you don't see it, do not ignore it. The third message, I surrender to a power greater than me. Wow, you're surrendering to the universe. If you surrender to the universe, a lot of happiness is on the horizon for you. Okay, so yeah, that's a beautiful reading, guys. So I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly hit like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, and if for personal bookings, the details are given in the description box below. For donations, the details are given in the description box below. But also one more thing, guys, I also forgot to take out one gemstone for this month. Okay, so this is Archangel Thuriel is your archangel for the month of October. I breathe in life completely. I am in touch with my emotions. It is easy for me to relax into the ebb and flow of life. I am balanced, whole and complete. Wow, love yourself, care about yourself. So Larry Merle, LARIMAR is the gemstone. It looks like this. Okay, so the message is, do you have an affinity with dolphins? Have you found that you feel so much better after spending time at the seashore? It's time to spend some time by the ocean. Connect with the healing salty energy of the sea water and its cleansing properties in order to support your health both physically and emotionally. To balance yourself, just spend time in a beach near the water, so you will feel much better. Okay, so that's what Archangel Thuriel is telling you. Okay, for the month of October. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. Kindly comment down below how many people of you did it resonated with. Okay, bye. Thank you, guys.